I'm so excited for you. This is a great time to make some money. You're like, what is he talking about? It's a slow time. No, it's not. It's a great time to make some money. If you do what I'm about to tell you to do right now, some of you may already be doing this. If you did it already today, please give me a shout out after I tell you what it is and say, yo, I'm doing it. Cha-ching. My pipeline is filling up, making a lot of money. If you do what I'm about to tell you to do for the rest of the day today, tomorrow, the next day, and better yet, just keep doing it for the rest of your life, it's going to start raining down deals on you. It will for sure pay for your eastonuniversity.com coaching for the rest of the year if you do it right now for this week. This is actually the best week to do this. That thing right there. Raise our hands. Right now, we're at the time of the year where people are sharpening pencils, they're organizing desks, they're polishing their calendar, they're cleaning their paper clips. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but they ain't working, okay? And then the other people are always just, man, maybe some of them are working, they're just slamming some, hey, if you got 5 minutes, I want to just show you what we got. We got a special going on right now. Both of those sides of the equation aren't going to get much done for you, especially the polishing of the paper clips. Just buy some new damn paper clips, all right? But if you do this simple activity right here, wow, it's game changing. Hey, Mike, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I just wanted to reach out, raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of sales coaching, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of somebody or you need a second opinion on something. I live and breathe this stuff. My wife says I need friends. Anything you need about your team, about the industry, what's going on, if it relates to sales and sales coaching in any way, you got a friend in me. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. You can shorten it up, right? Hey, Neil, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. I just wanted to reach out, raise my hand. I was thinking about you guys today. Anything you need in terms of sales coaching, in terms of bouncing an idea off of somebody, even if it's just to get a second opinion on something, just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Guys, it's an easy message to leave. It's a fun call to make. And there's zero agenda, okay? Zero, donut, nada, nothing. They can't give you a hard time for just raising your hand to let them know you're thinking about them, for just raising your hand to let them know you're out there. Right? It is an amazing tactic that nobody's using. And I say tactic in the nicest way. I'm not saying this is a trick. I'm not saying we're sliding in with any manipulation. None of that. We're just solving the greatest problem that we all have. You have this. I have this. It's the greatest problem in the world. And it starts with obscure and it ends with a T. Obscurity. People don't know who the hell you are, right? So if you take this week, if you take this day, if you take this afternoon, pick up the phone, call a few people, and just raise your hand. Wanted to let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of XYZ, what you do. Even if it's just to get a second opinion, right? They're already, I work with somebody else. Oh, awesome. You ever need a second opinion on something? You ever want to bounce an idea off of somebody? I need friends, right? Whatever you need, I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. People love getting that call, okay? I can see a bunch of you on video. Anybody doing this right now? Start! I've already had it work for me 4 times already today. This is the best time of year to be doing it. Why? It's the week before freaking Christmas and New Year's. There's 2 groups of people right now. Those that are working and those that are pretending like they're working. You can get a leg up on all of them without being freaking Scrooge McDuck. Without sounding like, oh, who's the freaking guy from the Tiny Tim, the Mr. I want to say Mr. Big Baines, whatever. That was the Simpsons. Whoever the hell that guy was that made the dude work. You don't have to be that guy. You could be the opposite of that guy. I see Derek there. Hey, Derek. Matt Easton, founder at Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I was just thinking about you today. Just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you guys need in terms of sales coaching for the upcoming year, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of somebody, Embarrassingly enough, my wife says I need friends. I live and breathe sales coaching. Whatever you need, deal me in. I'm on my mobile, 720-6603. You guys have to trust me on this. You make a few of these calls, people will call you back. And they'll call you back 2, 3, 4, 5 months later. People will all of a sudden, people will be at a conference and be like, yo, is that Dave Gass? Dave! Like we're best friends. Dave's like, I don't even know who the hell this person is. Dave gets that all the time, right? Because he's super famous, right? And they're like, Dave, yo, hey, I've been meaning to call you. I've got this issue. So guys, please do this. We can talk about other hooks that you can use, right? There's plenty of other hooks that we've been talking about. This is a hook without a prickly barb on it, right? This is just a nice thing for you to do in the world. Make a friend. Make a damn friend. If I was your dad, I'd tell you, go to school today, Dave. Make a friend. Here's how to make a friend, Dave. Do this. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.